How to share shopping cart on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Launch open the Amazon shopping app on your device and make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you tap on this cart icon, here's no option to directly share your shopping cart list. However, you can individually share the items. For that, tap on any item and tap on this share icon over here. Then you can share this product with your friend. You can use messages, WhatsApp, Messenger, or simply copy the link and then share it in this way. If you want to share all of the items on your shopping cart at once, then you want to tap on this profile icon. Now tap on the lists option. Now tap on this plus icon to create a new list. Go ahead and enter a list name, then tap on create list. Now you want to add all the items from your shopping cart in this list. Once that is done, tap on invite. Now you can copy this link or send it from an email or text message. And in this way, you can share your shopping cart on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.